I'm not judging. I'm just trying to understand. That's your fucking boyfriend?
Yes.
I can't get my fucking head around it.
No, I don't understand why this is so funny to you.
Oh, fuck, dude, this is perfect. It's fucking amazing.
He's trying to quit smoking. Stop being a fucking dick.
God, Nick, huh? She's doing it! Right now? She's fucking doing it! Come on! Come on! No voice over here! You've learned nothing!
I remember the landing being softer last time.
Nope. It went pretty much like that.
What are you gonna do? Arrest me? Huh?
Wonder why you failed your psych eval, huh?
Did you tighten these with a fucking torque wrench?
Oh, does it hurt?
Yeah, it fucking hurts.
Good. Maybe you'll learn something. Hey, eyes on me. Quit your sulking, all right? You got yourself here. This shit is on you. Fucking earned it.
Let's go. Now, here's the thing. We both know that had nothing to do with fun. It sure as shit wasn't an accident, right? Look, Gage, I know what you're trying to do. Maybe those other assholes, they don't see it, but I certainly do. You know, maybe a summer in a fire tower by yourself do you some good.
Maybe. Maybe I'll just jump.